Orlando Pirates head coach Abdusalam Wadu has vowed to continue placing his trust in young South African talent following his side's hard-fought 1-1 draw against Mamelodi Sundowns in a pulsating Betway Premiership clash at Loftus Versfeld. The sold-out encounter, watched by a crowd of 43,000 passionate fans, lived up to its billing as two of South Africa's football giants locked horns in a game filled with intensity, flair and drama. It was Sundowns who struck first as Pista Shalulile, the PSL all-time leading goal scorer, broke the deadlock in the 20th minute with a trademark finish that sent the home supporters into a frenzy. However, the Buccaneers refused to be subdued. In the 35th minute, Cameron Denson, a surprise inclusion in the starting lineup, silenced the Loftus faithful with a stunning long-range strike that curled beyond the Sundowns goalkeeper. It was a moment of brilliance from the 20-year-old, marking his first ever goal for Pirates senior team. Denson, who was promoted to the first team in May 2025, after impressing as captain of the club's DStv Diski Challenge side, has now featured in over 5 matches this season across all competitions. His rise epitomizes Wadu's growing commitment to integrating academy talent into the senior setup. Speaking to Super TV after the match, the Moroccan tactician explained his bold decision to hand Denson a starting berth in such a high-stake fixture. I said, look, it's difficult for a coach to start a youngster in a game of this magnitude. If we had lost, everyone would say I took a risk with an inexperienced player, but I've worked in development for about 5 or 6 years, and I believe it's time we give South African youth the platform to shine. This was the great experience for him, and I'll keep doing this going forward, giving chances to young local players. The Pirates coach's statement underscores his broader vision of rebuilding the Buccaneers around homegrown talent, blending youthful energy with the club's rich tradition of excellence. Next up, Pirates travel to Durban to face Golden Arrows in a midweek league clash on Wednesday, 5 November, with kickoff scheduled for 7:30. All eyes will be on whether Wadu once again places his faith on youth to deliver under pressure. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.